Hello YouTube, my name is Kayvan and this is Kayvan Crafted. In this video we're going to talk about how to make your keys compact. Now, on my left hand I have two sets of keys, and on my right hand I have the same number of keys, same two sets exactly, which I made them much more compact. Now you see that? You see? These have made my life much easier and much more pleasant. These are not much lighter, but they are like much more compact. Like, I don't know, 5 times, I guess. So if you want to learn how to make one of these, stick around. I already have a set of these compact keys. Let me show you how I'm gonna make a new set for my bike. I used a heat gun to loosen the plastic caps and then remove them. Then I cut the extra lens and drilled a 4mm hole through the keys. I inserted the M4 bolt into the keys and tightened the knot just by the force of my hands. Then I cut off the rest of the bolt. To prevent the knot from loosening, I drilled a 1.5mm hole through the nut and bolt together. and then insert a brass pin with the same diameter into this hole. Then hammer it from both ends so it won't come off. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see my future projects.